Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Now this is a very much occurring problem when using Windows. Now that happens when you try to access your Wi-Fi but it just doesn't show up right in the settings, or that your Wi-Fi just doesn't show up right here. Now let's get right into it. Now for the first step we're going to check if it is a hardware problem. So first go to your search bar in your Windows profile and from here type in CMD. Now command prompt opens up and run it as an administrator. This is very important. From here press yes, and as you can see command prompt opens up. Now the command that we're going to use is ping 127 spacebar .1.1.1. Now from here we type enter and it will check and ping with the hardware the network adapter to check if the network adapter still works. Now as you can see it gives a good response, and that is not the problem. Now for the next step we're going to check if the Wi-Fi services of Windows are still operating properly. So for that simply head down to the start icon, right click it and go to run. Now once you're in the run settings, from here open services.msc. Simply press OK and it will open up all the services on your PC. Now from here go to a random program and type in W. Now what we will look for is the WLAN. Here the WLAN auto config. Now this should be running and it should be on automatic. Now if it isn't running for you, simply press it and press start. What you can also do is stop the system and from here start it again. Now if it isn't on automatic, simply head down to properties and here select the startup type to automatic. Now from there simply press apply, press OK, and that should be it. Now let's head to the next step. Now for the following step we're going to reset the Wi-Fi settings. Now this is a very easy process. Go to a Windows start icon, press run. Once you're in the run, type in inetcpl.cpl. Now what this will do, it will take you to the internet properties. Now from here we simply head down to advanced, and once you're in advanced, here you see the restore advanced settings. Now this will take it back to the recommended settings. From there press apply and they should be restored. Now let's go to the next step. Now for the next method we're going to check if the Wi-Fi is actually enabled or not. This is very important, so simply head down to the search bar, type in run, and from there the run window opens up. Now from here we type in ncpa.cpl, press OK, and it will take you to the network connections. Now if your Wi-Fi isn't properly working, it's probably because the Wi-Fi is disconnected. So simply here I disconnect it and it should look something like this, that it is disabled, as you can see right here. Now from here we simply enable it. The Wi-Fi will be enabled, and as you can see it will start to identify and it will connect to the proper Wi-Fi that you used to be using. Let's diagnose it as well. And here you see that we are connected to the internet and we didn't find any problems for me. Now let's head to the next step if this still didn't fix your issue. Now for the following step we're going to check if your Windows is running properly on the normal drivers that it used to be. So simply head down to the start menu, right click it, and from there go to device manager. Now once you're in the device manager all your devices will pop up, but we're looking for the network adapters right here. From here we're looking for the Wi-Fi adapter. For me it's the Intel. It can be a Broadcom or any brand that you're using. For me it's the Intel. Now from here we right click it and here we update the driver. Now first we're going to search automatically for drivers, and as you can see the best drivers are already installed. Now if there's drivers for you available, simply install them and restart your computer to see if this fixed your problem. Now if this didn't fix your problem, simply right click it and from here update the drivers. But now we're going to browse my computer for drivers, and here let me pick from a list of available drivers right here. Now this will look for the older versions of your driver from your Wi-Fi adapter. So simply select one, press next and install it. Now if this still did not fix your issue, we're going to the next method. For the next method, we're going to reset the windsock of your adapter so that it works again in CMD. So simply head down to search, type in CMD, and we'll load up command prompt, run as administrator, and here press yes. Now the following command we're going to type in, it's very easy, NETSH spacebar windsock spacebar reset. Now what this will do, it will reset the windsock catalog and it will re-enable your Wi-Fi. Now for the next one, we're going to do the following prompt. It's NETSH int IP reset log. It will reset the IP logs.txt. Simply press enter, and as you can see, it's starting resetting everything. Now this is really fine to do, so just simply put in these two commands and from there restart your computer to see if your Wi-Fi is working, yes or no. Now I have one simple last task to do, so let's head right into it. Now for the last step, we're going to do run bar once again, so go to the Windows start icon, from there go to run and type in msconfig right here, press enter, and it will open up the system configuration. Now here we see the services, and we go straight to the services. Here are all the running services. As you can see, some are stopping and some are not running in the background that they are supposed to be. So simply here disable all, make sure that this is unchecked. Here disable all, and from there enable them again. Press apply, press OK, and that should be it. Now make sure to restart your system to make this work. Now if this has helped you in any kind of way, share it in the comments and like the video, but most importantly, thank you for watching.